grass grows, a prairie, a wilderness across a continent, and we take it, we clear it out, make it in our image. The backyards, the driveways, the covered wagons rushing through the high plains, the motels on the canyon, they make us second to nature. And what was it for this country, the farms and the blood across the prairie, the nation we become as we build a second nature? No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. No, no, no. The rivers run in parking lots, the endless fields and cities. We make them, replace them with our dreams of the future. And what was it for the swimming pools, the highways, the ball games in the dusk, on the battlefield, the time we were so foolish and so young? No, no, no. 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 No, 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 no. The grass grows, we take it, we want it, it's second nature to us.